Hi, I'm Prakash Rochlani. I'm the director for last mile transportation for Amazon in India. And today is a very exciting day for us. I'm delighted to announce the doubling of our own delivery network in the state of Assam. With this expansion, we now have 30 delivery stations serving just in the state of Assam, with close to 200 pin codes that we will serve directly now. A significant number of customers across Assam in Guwahati will now get the same unmatched Amazon delivery experience and faster deliveries, with a large number of customers getting 1 day and 2 day delivery services as well. So it's going to be an exciting time, and this is right in time for our big festival coming in. So please do shop on Amazon, and thank you.
Okay, so though it's